Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a soft reset on the Pixel 8. The Pixel 8 maybe has a prop that you have a black screen, a white screen, or you can have a freeze frame. You cannot move around your settings. You cannot move over the home screen as well. Then the first solution for this problem is to make a reboot of the system. But if you have not any function here on the screen, it's not so easy to reboot us because the main feature is, of course, to use the touchscreen. In this case, we have here volume up, volume down button over there, and here's the power button. And if we now push the power button and the volume up button for approximately 15 seconds and hold that, that means the system will be shut off. And after this, we can make a reboot of the system. And most of the time, the reboot will fix a lot of problems which comes to you at your device, like black screen, white screen, and so on. Because while this device will be rebooted, the RAM will be flush out, make empty, and so on. And after this, most of the time, here now we can push again to reboot the system. Here we are, and it will reboot. And after a reboot, it is like a new beginning, but without data losing. All data are fine on our device because this is the soft version of the reboot system. And after this, maybe your failure is fixed and you can go back and be happy as well. Power button, volume up, volume down. Both buttons we can push. Here it works again. Enter. Volume up, power button, push and hold it until it will shut off, approximately 10 up to 15 seconds. And after this, you can push the power button to reboot the system. And we're back in business here on the screen. Really cool, really easy. Thanks for watching. If this does not make a solution for you, go to the next step. This will be the hard reset. But then, that is a gone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.